faster when we get to the right, pilot. Push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly up. And push forward to fly down. Oh, that's it. Chewie makes flying this thing look easy, eh? Weapons are online. Left pilot. Hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot. Take the jump to light speed. Those heavy dies are protecting the train. Take them out. They've locked onto us. Take evasive action. Gunners, we need to defend ourselves. Open fire. Ah, there it is. After that plane. Flight engineers, fire the harpoon. Now, gunners, shoot the cargo free. Left pilot, brakes. Good work. Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Now power up the ship. Well, I grab the coaxium. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Now that the resistance has ready, maybe a little something for Hondo. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Get behind the train. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons and reel us in. Gunners, shoot the train. Yes, keep mashing those controls. I think I will let you tell the wolf.
Come on.
Oh, that's
Come on.
We've got to get out of here. Yes, a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry. It's coming down. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Boost, boost, boost. Look, we did not die. Let's get out of here. Of coaxium. This would greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is... Oh, that is rough. R5. Damage report. Engine failure. Alright. Hyperdrive leak. That is not too good. Hull ruptures. Time for you to go.